Hey there, Encappers. In today's episode of Encap TV, we're going to talk about FiberPlus pads and how they can make a big impact on your business. Stay tuned. FiberPlus pads have been around since the beginning of modern encapsulation. When I say modern encapsulation, I'm talking about since the early 2000s when we kicked the door open with encapsulation. And where this really started was back in my commercial carpet cleaning business. I was using shampoo brushes. There's a company that had been around for years. Braun was the company. They made an aluminum back shampoo brush. It was literally the best brush there was because it shower fed really, really well. I always loved my Braun brush, but the problem with brushes is that the bristles would slide over the carpet, and even with the best shampoo brush like the Braun aluminum back shampoo brush, the solution would disperse through the bristles fairly unevenly. So you kind of had to work your rotary machine kind of slowly to kind of work it in and get even coverage of the shampoo through the bristles. It's not a very efficient way to clean. So we discovered using a pad like you'd use on a floor machine could do a better job. Well, that was the beginning of it. So we started off with pads for doing the scrubbing. So we're getting better agitation and we're putting the solution down much more evenly than we could with a shampoo brush. But we also found that we're getting better agitation, and the reason why is because this bites on the carpet a little more. It moves the carpet pile as opposed to just sliding over the surface with the brush bristles of a shampoo brush. So we're getting better scrubbing action, better agitation, much more even coverage of the solution. So in the end, we end up using less solution. So that was a win all the way around. But then what we did is we went to a pad manufacturer and we looked at making a couple of pads that would be specific for carpet fiber. And here we have the FiberPlus pads. Now, there are other people that are selling pads also, but what makes the FiberPlus pads unique is the binder material that went into the cream colored pad. And what that does is it gives it the ability to hold up to the agitation of carpet cleaning. And we also have the FiberPlus Max, which is slightly more aggressive. So this one you can use for absolutely everything, the cream colored pad. The gray pad would be more ideal for commercial loop carpet. So when you're dealing with a commercial loop carpet, the FiberPlus Max is going to scrub about 20% more efficiently even than the cream colored pad does. The cream colored pad is just fantastic for everything, but if you've got a commercial loop carpet, you want to switch over to the FiberPlus Max and you're going to pick up your efficiency that much more. So these pads have really become the standard when it comes to good encapsulation. So we take a good encapsulation detergent like our Release It products. They clean extremely well, but when you add the agitation, keep in mind temperature, agitation, chemical, and time. Agitation is key to good cleaning, and these pads give us a tool to do that. Now we think of them in the agitation mode of the shampoo, where a solution is passing through the pad and we're dispersing it into the carpet and giving it good agitation. But we're also finding that these are working very well for bonnet cleaning type applications where we're pulling the soil right into the pad. So what we're doing, for example, with an orbital machine that has a spray system on board, if you spray in front of this rather than shower feeding through it, this is going to pick up a lot of soil. And then you just rinse it and the soil comes right out of the pad and you go back to using it again. So it can be used in a bonnet type application if you're spraying, or in a shampoo Encap mode where the solution's going through the pads. You're going to find that you're going to get extremely good results. Longevity out of the pads is excellent. They hold up well, and it's really why this combination has become the benchmark when it comes to good encapsulation cleaning. So if you haven't tried FiberPlus pads yet, what are you waiting for? Give them a shot. I'll put links to them in the description below. These pads are designed for carpet and they'll definitely help you max your Encap. So thank you for watching this episode. If you would, give us a thumbs up, share your comments, subscribe to our channel, and as always, thank you for watching Encap TV.